Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. I'm participating in another collaboration with Discovering the Art of Living. Today's movie will be A Christmas Carol. These are the supplies you'll need. Roll a ball of black clay into a cylinder shape. And then flatten both ends. I'm gently pressing down with my tissue blade. Next, carve in your letters. I'm making two hats. One will say, "Bah humbug," and "God bless us, everyone." These earrings were super fun and easy to make. Next, roll out a piece of red clay until it is long and thin, and then wrap it around the bottom of the hat. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a collaboration with Discovering the Art of Living. Be sure to check her out. I'll put a link to her video in the description below. In her last video, she made a wreath inspired by the movie Christmas with the Cranks. I totally wanted to make one after watching her video. And there's lots of other YouTubers that are joining in on the collaboration. And smooth out the seams. Roll out a thin piece of black clay. And then cut out a circular shape. Messy, messy, messy. Place the top of your hat on the bottom of your hat. And gently press that puppy into place. Roll out 5 balls of green clay. Form them into a leaf shape. Place them on your hat. Use your tissue blade and make the leaf veins. I think these are so simple and fun. I really enjoyed making them. I hope you enjoyed watching and you found something useful in it. Roll out 6 oh so tiny balls of red clay and then place them in the center of your leaves. Pre-poke your eye hook holes at the top of each hat. And then place in your eye hooks. Bake your festive hats. Next step is to fill in the lettering with white paint. This is so you can see the letters. Once your paint dries, use a damp soapy cloth to wipe off the excess paint. You'll want to do the same with the leaves. I've chosen to use red. You can use whatever color you would like. Again, wipe off the excess paint. I thought it would be fun to add some snow. Just take some white paint, place it on a paintbrush, and then rake your fingers across the paintbrush to splatter the paint onto the hat. Assemble and resin your earrings if you wish. And these are my fabulous collab earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go check out Discovering the Art of Living and everybody else who is participating in this collaboration. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!